Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is vlogger Borna and today's video is all about how to prepare biryani. And before we start the video, kindly go ahead and hit on the subscribe button if you are new to this channel and hit on the like button if you really like this recipe. So biryani is like almost everyone's favorite in India, and I'm Bengali, so my favorite is Bengali biryani. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to prepare Bengali biryani at home, and this recipe is very easy. And I'm not shooting this video, this is a picture video, so I'll be showing you step by step pictures and also a voiceover instruction guide. So here I've taken 300 grams of mutton for 3 people, and I am going to marinate this mutton for about 1 hour. And before that we need to get the birista, that is the fried onion, and I have fried it, deep fried it, and it looks something like this, brownish in color. And in the other hand I have put on some color, food colors, and these are completely safe because I have picked the good one. So this is red in color, so I have to give a pinch of food color in every potato, and I have to mix it nicely for frying it. This will give little restaurant type look, and this is giving a different color to the potato. See that the potato I'm frying in oil, and it is looking a little reddish and yellowish mix in color. And if you are Bengali and if you ever had a Bengali biryani, you should supposed to know how it looks in restaurants. So this is how they get the colors. For marination I have taken 100 grams of curd, and I have beaten it nicely, and in that I will going to add masalas, that is biryani masala, red chili powder, and as well as I will add kevra water as well. So after the final touch of adding kevra water, it is supposed to look like this, and we have to mix it nicely. And after this process we will add birista. Now on the other hand, my potatoes are ready and it looks something like this. You have to semi fry this. And also you need garlic paste and ginger paste, which we are going to add in our marination paste, that is with curd. And also I'll add birista, that is the onion, brown onion, and we have to mix it nicely. So this is the very important part of marination and the masala quantity, and it should supposed to look like this. This part is very important because the masala quantity should be perfect. You need to add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of biryani masala, along with 2 tablespoons of kevra water in that curd, along with 1 inch ginger and 10 cloves. You have to make a nice paste, and it would be prefer if you make that paste at home, it will give a different flavor. And you have to mix the mutton nicely, and you have to cover it. You have to make a nice coat on the mutton so that it will cover the mutton nicely. As you can see in the picture, I have covered the entire mutton with the marination masala paste. So yes, so this is how it should supposed to be, and we have to marinate this for about 1 hour, and then we will slowly cook it in the pressure cooker. So I'll cover it right now. The other hand, we should supposed to prepare all the masalas for boiling the rice. So I have taken 5 to 6 cloves and elaichi, and these are the bigger one elaichi, and also I have taken jaitree, jaifal, nutmeg, and cloves, bay leaves, cinnamons, all variety of dry fruits, garam masalas. This is a very important step. You have to take a very neat cotton cotton sheet where you can mix all the whole garam masalas, and you have to tie it, wrap it nicely, and you have to boil it along with the rice. So as you can see, I have tied it with a thread, and I have made sure that it should not it should not be loosely tied. And as you can see, I have kept in the water, and I let it boil. And after boiling the water, the color will be changed to little grayish or brownish color. That is, it will leave its essences to the water, and then we will leave the rice once it starts boiling, and we have to make sure that it should 80% cook. So this is my soaked rice. I have soaked it nicely, and I have soaked this for about half an hour, and now I'll wait for the water to boil. And once it starts boiling, I will leave the rice slowly into the water, and I'll wait for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's get 80% cooked. So make sure it should not get overcooked. It should be 80% cooked, and it should be al dente. That is, if you take one rice and if you chew it, it should be little hard, and this is how it should supposed to be. Also, we need some kesar and aloo bukhara, that is dried plums. So I have taken one pinch of kesar and 3 to 4 prune. Friends, I have organized all my ingredients, and I'm ready to cook the biryani in a layer. So I have taken a milk where I have added rose water, kewra water, and as well as sweet attar. In that another bowl I have taken, where I have taken 2 tablespoons of milk along with 1 pinch of kesar. So I have organized everything here. Then you have to remove the potato separately, and pour the mutton stock in a different vessels, and have to keep the mutton in a separate you have to separate the mutton from the stock. This is how you have to separate all these items, so that you can arrange in the handi later. This is my I've taken 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 pinch of kesar, and it's looking little yellowish in color. Friends, in another bowl I have taken 5 tablespoons of milk. In that I have added 2 tablespoons of edible rose water and 2 tablespoons of kewra water, and 3 drops of sweet attar, and this is 4 pieces of dry plum, that is aloo bukhara. I have spreaded my rice in 3 separate plates so that it will not get stick to each other. So friends, these are the items I needed right now to make a layered biryani. I have made a biryani masala at home, as well as I've taken biryani masala from outside as well. I'll mix both of them. And so for biryani masala, what I did is I've taken all the whole garam masala, and I've mixed it, and I've also added dry rose petals, and I have made a nice grind of that, and I have made a nice powder of that whole garam masalas. Along Along with that, I have taken market available ready to cook biryani masala, as well as I need some barista, that is brown onion, and also the stock, mutton stock I have kept aside, and the mutton I have kept aside separately. Also, I've taken half piece of lemon and I'll squeeze the juice from it, which will give a little citric flavor. As you can see, I have I have taken 5 tablespoons of ghee, and I have greased the handi well, and in the base I have taken 8 bay leaves, so that I can make a nice base, so that it will not burn my biryani. Above that, taken my all mutton pieces in one layer, and above that I have given another layer of potato and aloo bukhara. On the top of it, I will add all the rice, and it'll be a layered biryani. So once I'll add the rice, above that I will add all the biryani masala and the barista, as well as the fragmented milk which I made at home with the help of kewra water and rose water. That milk I will add slowly. I have to spread the I have to spread the milk with the help of a spoon to all over the biryani. I should not pour it in once at a time. I have to spread it slowly with the help of a spoon. Upon that, I have to add the biryani masala again at the top of the rice, and it should be in layered. And once you add all the ingredients as well as don't forget to add the lemon juice, and this all, after adding all the ingredients like kesar milk and the fragmented milk as well as biryani masala, you have to tightly cover the handi the way I did it here. I've tightly wrapped it with a with a sellotape paper, as I don't have silver foil. So as you can see, it's tightly wrapped and airtight, and above that I have filled water and pressure cooker in the pressure cooker, and I have kept it above it so that it will be tight. Step is very important. You can see my gas is in simmer, in extreme low, and you have to cook it for about 30 minutes. You should have to make sure it should be in simmer, because otherwise it will burn the biryani from the base. And you have to make sure that something heavy you have to keep above the handi, so that it will be airtight. And after half an hour, give some more 10 minutes, and then open the airtight lids, and you can smell the amazing fragrance after that. And as you can see, my biryani is ready, and it's absolutely the perfect, like how you get it in the market. And the mutton is soft, tender, and juicy, as well as delicious. And you can see from the above how the rice looks. It should be white and semi white and yellowish in color. And I have given a boiled egg on the top of it for garnishing, and this is how it looks up. It should supposed to be. And I'm enjoying my biryani. How about you? Why don't you try at home? For trying this, you have to check out my channel, and you have to follow every step-by-step instructions. And in the end, as I repeat in my every video, don't forget to subscribe my channel if you're new to this channel. And if you really like my video, then go ahead and subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video with your friends and family.